Hello viewers, Chef Thomas here again. Today I will show you how to make dark chocolate and espresso brownie. And here are my ingredients. Dark chocolate pistils, gluten-free flour, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, whole eggs, cocoa powder, espresso coffee, and a mixing bowl. Get a mixing bowl, put the dark chocolate pistils, unsalted butter, and 3/4 of the sugar and melt it. You can either use a microwave, which you can use it at an interval of about 30 seconds. What you need is just to melt the chocolate pistils. Or you can use a bain-marie, just a hot water bath, and put the bowl with dark chocolate pistils on top, and make sure you keep on stirring so that it doesn't get burnt. Next, crack the whole eggs like this and put them into the bowl that has 1/4 of the granulated sugar. And then later I will use the hand mixer to whip it a little bit so that I can add it into the chocolate bowl. Grab the espresso coffee and put it into the chocolate mix like this. What we need is just the flavor. Then I'm gonna sieve my flour and cocoa powder together, just like this. I'll get the eggs and sugar mix and to mix it. And then later I will take a little bit of the chocolate mix and put into this bowl. Just observe what I'm doing. I'll put this mix into the chocolate bowl just like this. I'll fold in the flour just like this and use a wire whisk just to mix it nicely, and you just put it bit by bit until everything is finished. Just observe what I'm doing. Put the chocolate and espresso mix into a deep gastronome dish like this with a greaseproof paper underneath. Sprinkle some dark chocolate pistils, and then later I will put it in the oven for about 170 degrees for about 21 minutes. After 21 minutes, grab yourself a torchon, remove the brownie from the oven, and it should look like this. Nice and lovely.